slips out too early, and the sky turns iron gray. I can feel the weight get heavier in that quiet winter way. Streetlights buzz like tired memories. Cold air settles in my bones. Every shadow feels familiar. Every night feels overgrown. But I'm learning how to breathe, learning what the dark can't take. Yeah, the season gets inside me, but it won't decide my fate. I don't let the dark win, even when it whispers loud. I pull myself back in when the world feels way down. Light a match inside my chest till I feel the spark again. Yeah, the nights get long, but I won't let the dark win. Some days I move a little slower. Some days colors fade too dim. I can lose myself in thinking till the edges blur and spin. But I've lived through colder seasons. I've come back from deeper lows. There's a fire in my heartbeat that the winter never knows. So I wrap myself in warmth, hold on tight till morning starts. Every time the dark surrounds me, I ignite my stubborn heart. I don't let the dark win, even when it whispers loud. I pull myself back in when the world feels way down. Light a match inside my chest till I feel the spark again. Yeah, the nights get long, but I won't let the dark win. Let the clouds roll in, let the cold set deep. I've survived too much to fold. When I feel weak, every shadow fades. When I choose my light, I may stumble now, but I still rise at night. I don't let the dark win, even when it whispers loud. I pull myself back in when the world feels way down. I'm not broken, I'm not dim, I just shine in different skin. Yeah, the nights get long, but I won't let the dark win.